There you go, buddy.
You alright? Oh! Oh no!
Yeah.
Right.
Those gas stations up there.
Yeah, I know where it's at. Yeah. Where'd you run out of gas at?
Shit, right down there where it splits this way.
Oh, you was pushing it, bro.
Yeah.
I'm trying to think. Is there a way I can push with my foot?
Man,
We can try that. Yeah, we can try that.
I run out of gas a lot.
You ain't got a gas gauge.
Yeah.
I love having my gas gauge, man.
It's a nice bike, man.
Thank you. Take care of it. Hey, pull over to the side real quick. I'm gonna use my right foot.
Okay.
Yeah, I was surprised he wanted to go. He was hitting it hard.
Yeah.
He was holding for a minute. Try to put my. Let me see.
I appreciate it, man.
No problem.
If it don't work, you try.
All right.
Oh, I went to hit it and that motherfucker set me on the back seat.
Yeah, this one the same way. It don't stop. Woo. What is that?
The Honda CBR.
Can't even tell. You done took everything off.
9 to 9.
Oh, okay, man. That's a thou wow. So, but yeah, man, I'm glad I can help, man.
Yeah, I appreciate it.
Yeah, no problem. It's a hot day.
Be safe, man.
You too.
Appreciate it. Thanks, sir. What the hell? Come here. Which house do you belong to? What's on your collar? What does that say? 17.
17. You got a number? Come here. Okay. Phone number. Okay. Stay here. Where are you going? Alright.
Come here, you naughty puppy dog. Thank you so
Alright.
much. We lived just there. Thank you.
He didn't move, he just literally stood there as I was coming, yeah. Yeah. Alright. No worries.